Good day everyone, welcome to another session of Mommy Teo Teaches Math. Our topic for today is determining the center and the radius of a circle given the equation. Example 1, determine the center and radius of the circle whose equation is quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y plus 3 squared is equal to 16. So there are two standard form of the equation of a circle. This one is at point HK and this one is at point origin or 0, 0. So in number 1, we can say that it is the H and this one is the K. So our center there is, our H is 2 and our K is, of course, y minus negative 3. That one is y plus 3, so it's negative 3. This one is the center of your circle. And how are we going to write this as r squared? 16. R squared is 16. What will be our base then? Our base is, of course, what? 4 squared. Okay. So therefore, our r is equal to 4. That's it. You just get the square root of course, 16, and that one is equal to 4. Number 2, determine the center and radius of the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. This one is very easy. The center is, of course, this one is similar to this. Your center is 0, 0. And then square root of 9, your r is square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So that is equal to 3. And then number 3, determine the center and radius of the circle whose equation is quantity x minus 7 squared plus y squared is equal to 36. So that one is C. Your center is 7. This one doesn't have any term, so that is considered a 0, of course. And then your r is equal to square root of 36. And r is 6. R is equal to 6. Now, example number 4. Determine the center and radius of the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 10y plus 45 equals 0. The first step that you will do is to isolate the constant term. So that is y squared minus 12x minus 10y is equal to negative 45. I transpose 45 to the other side. And then we group terms with x. And then we group terms with y. That's the next step. Equals negative 45. Now, we have to make this a perfect square trinomial. This two, we need to make this perfect square trinomial so that we can convert it into this form. So that we can identify the center and of course the radius. How? You get half of this, that is 6, and then you square it. That will be 36. Again, you divide this by 2 or half of it, and then square it. So that's 36. What you add here should be added here also so that the equation will not change its value. Okay, I added 36, I added 36 there. Plus, here, what are we going to add? Y squared minus 10y. Half of it is 5. Square it, and that is 25. Okay, so we will be adding here 25 too. So I will move it here. So this is negative 45 plus 36 plus 25. Okay. This one is a PST now, and I can factor it as a square of binomial. Square root x, square root 6 squared. That's it. Plus square root y, square root 5 minus, that is squared. And then we add this one. This is 36 plus 25 is 61 minus 45. These two are, of course, positive. We add them. Y minus 5 squared is equal to What is 61 minus 5? This is 11 minus 5 is 6. This one is 116. Okay. So, we can now identify, of course, our, we can now identify our center and our radius. This one is 4 squared because of this r squared. So, our center then is 6, 5, and our radius is 4. Let us go now to example number. The center and radius of the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared plus 18x plus 2y. Again, we will need to isolate the 33 there, so that is negative 33. And then this one is x squared plus 18x, group terms with x, group terms with y, negative 33. Next, we need to make this a PST by getting half of this. Half of this is 9, and then you square it. That will be 81. 9 squared is 81. Y squared plus 2y, half of it is 1 squared is 1. So, what you add here should be added here also. We have negative 33 plus 81 plus 1. Again, we need to add this number so that the equation will not change its value. So, this one is a PST now. We can factor this as square of binomial. Square root, get the mid-sign, square. Square root, get the mid-sign, square. You add the 2, it's 82 minus 33. So this one is x plus 9 squared plus y plus 1 squared. This is equal now to, this one is 33. We have 12 minus 3 is 9. We have 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. It's 49. So 49 is 7 squared. So therefore, our C is, since this one is plus, this one is minus, so therefore that is negative 9. This one is plus, this one is minus, this one is negative 1. And our R is equal to 7.